SimpVirBrow will show you how.
Hi students, so today we are going to be showing you how to measure mass with a triple beam balance. We're also going to show you how to measure volume with a graduated cylinder. And also, we are going to show you how to measure the volume of a regularly shaped object and an irregularly shaped object, kind of like that. We're also going to show you how to measure density. Aren't you special?
Mm-hmm. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, so today we are going to measure the mass of magnetite. But before we start that, I want to go over the various parts of our triple beam balance. Okay, this part is our pan. That's what we put our object on to weigh it. This is our adjustment knob over here, and that will help us to zero our scale. These are called riders right here.
Mr. Morrow, I have a question.
Yes.
Why is it called a rider?
Well, think of it like horses galloping across the beam here. The heck? So what we want to do is first we need to take to balance out to zero out our scale. We're going to put all our riders back to its starting position right here, and you'll see that there's a white line, and you want to measure it up with the zero. And right now that's off, so we need to adjust it. And we can use our adjustment knob to do that. So you just want to turn several turns at one time. And it's getting closer to the white line, okay, where it zeroes out. Secondly, we're going to weigh to measure our magnetite. And you just put it on there, on the pan. And we'll start with the middle one first, the middle rider. So that's the first increment is 100 grams. And you can obviously see that that is way too heavy. So we need to take that off and go to our last beam, the back beam, which is in 10-gram increments. So we go to the number 10 and put it on, and you can see that's way too light. So let's go to 20 grams. That would be our next step. And now it's too heavy, so we know it's in between 10 and 20. Back that off to 10, and now we'll go to our front beam where it measures it in 1-gram increments. And I'm just guessing here. Let's try that. Still a little bit too light. So let's try 18 3/10. See if that works. And that's spot on right there. And that's how you measure mass.
Oh, well hello there. My directions say that I need to measure 55 milliliters of water. I'm going to take my beaker and carefully pour the water into the graduated cylinder, leaving the graduated cylinder perfectly flat. I'm at 52. That's not water. Oop, 54. Just a little bit more. Notice that I'm getting down eye level with my graduated cylinder, and I have it on a flat surface, and it looks like from the bottom of the meniscus, I'm right at 55 milliliters.
Did you know the meniscus is caused by surface tension, and it can be concave or convex depending on the surface and the liquid?
Well, thank you, Vern. It's almost like you read my mind. And this isn't scripted at all. 55 milliliters.
Miss Simpson said I had to find the volume of this. Let's see. 3 centimeters.
No, silly. You can't use a ruler to find the volume of an irregularly shaped object, you don't have straight lines. Like this. To use a ruler, we have to have a height, a length, and a width.
Wow. So, if I can't use a ruler to find the volume of this brow, how do I find the volume?
Okay, well, let me show you. Start by putting 50 milliliters of water in your graduated cylinder. Make sure you look at the meniscus.
Okay.
Okay, it looks exact. So we know there's 50 milliliters in the graduated cylinder. We put 50 milliliters so that it covers our object. So now put your object in the graduated cylinder.
Should I drop it from here, bro?
No, you don't want to break it. So drop it from, pick it up, and put it in softly so we don't break our graduated cylinder.
Oh.
And now look at eye level, get eye level with it so you can see how much did it go up. What are we at now?
1, 2, 3. 53 milliliters.
Okay, so now we need to see what is our difference.
Well, what did we start with? I don't remember.
We started with 50 milliliters,
Okay.
and now we have 53 milliliters.
Okay, so that rock is 53 milliliters. Look, it takes up all that space.
No, we started with 50 milliliters. So now we have 53 milliliters. So 53 minus 50, we have,
Oh, we subtract?
yes.
3 milliliters.
Looks like Mr. Morrow wants us to find density.
What's density?
I don't know. Why are you looking at me?
Why are you looking at me?
You're
Wait.
the know-it-all.
Doesn't he say something about density?
Density equals.
Mass divided by volume! Woo! We totally beat Miss Blankenship's class! Gosh, we rock.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay.
Oh, so that's why we do that density equals. So it's not just a contest, like it actually has meaning.
What?
Density actually equals.
Mass divided by volume.
Oh, so what was that thing that we used and we measured the mass?
The thing with the riders?
Oh yeah, the horsey. Oh, the triple beam balance.
The triple beam balance.
Okay, so what was the mass again? It was 18
18 and 3/10
grams.
grams.
And so density, okay, let's write down the formula first. Density equals mass divided by volume. So we have the mass, and we know that's 18.3. And then we need to find the volume.
Oh, I did that. I remember that. That was 3 milliliters.
Oh yeah, that's when you put it in the graduated cylinder thing.
That's right. Hey, Mr. Morrow, is this right? Did we do this right?
Yes, you did.
Okay, so, dude, there's a decimal in there.
Oh.
Yuck.
Oh
hate
no. So let me go get a calculator. He'll never know.
Except
Yes, I will.
Miss Little says we can't use calculators. And did you hear the voice from above? He said he would hear. So what do we do?
I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I know that the cowboy goes inside the bracket.
Oh, Tybo, top in, bottom out.
Yeah.
Okay. Tybo.
And so top in, bottom out. So okay, so 3's on the outside, right?
Yep.
Okay. So 3 doesn't go into 1. Will 3 go into 18?
Yes.
How many times?
6 times!
That's right. Okay. So 6 times 3 is 18. That's a 0. Bring down the 3. What do we have to do? Okay, we got to bring the decimal up, right?
Oh, like it's on an elevator going to the roof of
That's
a house.
right.
Okay.
And now we have 3 goes into 3 one time.
1 time.
1 times 3 is 3. Awesome. I love it when I don't get a remainder.
Oh, that was easy.
That was easy.
So is our answer 6.1?
But 6.1 what? We can't have a naked number.
Oh, that's right. It is awfully naked.
What do? We have 2.
I know. Can you have 2 units?
Well, because it's kind of like you're dividing the 2 units. You're dividing the grams by the milliliters, right?
Okay.
So could we write it like you're dividing the 2 units?
Looks good.
Like this?
Exactly. That's what I was
Mr.
thinking.
Morrow, did we do this right?
Awesome job.